5:30, and I'm thinking somebody is out here getting lit the fuck up. So I walk outside, walk down to the next truck, and look at this shit. Somebody thought it would be funny. You can still smell the smoke. It would be funny to light up fireworks in a truck stop full of sleeping truckers, full of people out here just trying to sleep and earn a good living, and you thought it was funny to come here and set off fireworks at 5:30 in the morning. Now, if somebody would have caught you doing that, and you clearly took off right away, and you know, I'm sure it would have been a lot of truckers that would have loved to get a hold of you. You know what I mean? But anyway, crazy world we live in. Crazy world, and that was probably one of the more crazier things I've seen in my 2 years of trucking. But